can see the difference between the two. Significantly different. Wow, look at that. Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. I'm here with Omega, and today we'll be looking at the PHR valve cover kit. Now, this here is a polished version, which is essentially the centerpiece of any engine bay, especially the 2JZ, in which we're building our Castrol Supra, of course. You ready to go and check this thing out?
I'm ready.
All right, let's unbox this thing. All right, so we got this one box here, and then, woo!
It's shiny.
All right, yeah, so I mean, hands down, definitely looks really cool. Now, it does come in 3 different versions. You have the polished version, which is this, comes as a machine finish, and then of course the black as well. Now, on top of that, we were customized as well, and where we have on the side piece here, this says TRD, Racing Development.
This one right here says 2JZ GTE.
Technically, you can write anything you want. Now, we also got the oil cap here from PHR, and then I believe these here are the breather manifolds.
Yeah, these are the breather manifolds. These are the ones that go to the catch can,
which we'll be checking out in just a little bit. Now, they also gave us our coil cover, which is this guy right over here. Whoa, check that out.
That's nice.
Now, I actually had my custom KhanFlicks logo engraved as well. And yeah, I mean, this thing looks really cool. You want to go ahead and mount it up and see how it looks?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, so right now we just kind of have the original ones placed on here. You want to go ahead and swap them out? You can see the difference between the two. Significantly different. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. All right, and yeah, check it out.
Pretty easy install. If you've taken off valve covers before on 2Js, you could definitely do this.
Yeah, and then it retains all the original gaskets, which is great.
Yep.
And then you can also upgrade the coil packs or just use the original ones and it'll still work with it regardless. Then you also have the breathers on the rear, allowing you to go ahead and run lines to the catch can, which is definitely a plus and makes it look a lot cleaner. Hands down, definitely is a great addition to any 2JZ build. Now, if you are definitely building your motor, this is a great centerpiece and I would highly recommend it. And with that said, if you guys had any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, see you in the next episode. Bye.